So digital camera filter ISM. So this is quite a popular app. Unlock your creative potential with ISM. The creative dream come true with over 200 professionally created preset filters. You can make your photos and videos come alive with unparalleled ease and effect. No problem. ISM has done the hard work for you, so you don't have to. With one click, you can choose from a world of styles made exclusively by professional photographers from all around the globe. Whether your look is soft and dreamy, urban and artsy, or strikingly dramatic, ISM has got you and your photos covered with updated styles every week to keep your creative spirit alive and thriving. Ideal for all levels of experience, make the most of your photos with the help of ISM. So digital camera in-app, unlimited creativity, frequent updates, intuitive UI. So yeah, this is what you can try this app. Maybe it's as you can see, it's kind of going viral, maybe on TikTok, and it's quite high on the charts. And then yeah, here you can just try all kinds of filters. You can add a frame, you can add this kind of effects, and then yeah, you can just continue with the trial. So $8 per week or $90 per year. So that's the app. And then you have only 3 edits in a free version. So there is some kind of free version, or you can just tap the camera to take the camera. I don't know, just take a photo of my pencil. And then yeah, you can see in here, so you can have this edit, you have the edit, you have all kinds of edits in here: neutral, cinematic, lens. You can add this kind of grain, filter, haze. So yeah, all kinds of cinematic filters. Or you can just remove it. So yeah, all kinds of like very different filters which you can try in this app and then just save it. So that's the idea. Then there is also like a promo code. If you have one, feel free to add it. If you have it somewhere, feel free to share it in the comments below. And yes, thanks for watching.